and I will give detailed information about the owl work. E here, opener and opener mixture, and E. I said I did a 1-to-1 study on the mixture. 70 grams opener, 70 grams in 20 volumes. I applied a mixture. We will start gradually in the first place, and both with the opener. And the madness of the opener. E, we will increase it accordingly. We will use a slightly different opener in each bowl. So where are you from Afghanistan, haha? Where am I you me, no you Afghan ha hobby? I am Istanbul. We know Sivas. Also as a distinction. I'm creating a crown distinction first. From ear pain to other ear pain. I make a distinction. Burden. E separations first, starting from the nape part. And I will continue to create cross divisions. On the nape part. Here, we will do an omelet style study by applying pancakes. How do I make pancakes by applying pancakes should work. Combing our hair and holding the pancake from the middle part. Bottom hair top. As you can see, pushing from the middle to the bottom. And we compress the hair at the bottom. Neither at the very end, nor at the very bottom. Holding it right in the middle. We apply our pancakes. After applying the foam, the first is the packaging technique of foil. Second, I apply. Because it creates a layer here, it's thicker E. Something is happening. More comfortable packaging, we can use it very comfortably. After applying crepe. E, because it will be on the ends. Let's definitely pack it like this. We did it here. Definitely not to the extremes. You know, we have to do it from the bottom of the pancake. This is when the crepe comes from the ends. Don't form the line. If you pack it this way, you paint the foil. So please let's not pack after having it done like this. You are thinking of making it to the end parts. Such an e-writing process. You did it because you want it to be with the ends. You scanned it, but there will be such a trace here so. So what are we going to do my hair? So after making pancakes, your hair has come to the bottom. We have to come. You know, he packs it to the bottom and creeps the foil. Put on the foil. E. To the bottom of our medicine. You know, we need to apply it lightly to pancakes, so that when the hair comes from here, it becomes even more natural. Trace the pancake here. There will be no trace in any way, and we got a more natural look. But if you do it from the middle part, it will definitely be a trace. Be informed. Definitely by making the middle part. Do not do packaging. Close to such. If you work, you will get a much better result. E. While packing. From the end of the hair. If you do, the hair will not get stuck. Whether you pack it at the exact end or twist it, there will be a wider environment. Hair does not get too hot and squeezed. Now the second distinction. Starting from ear level. We make a distinction up to the neck here. We will apply pancakes to this distinction in the same way. Our first distinction. I take the frame part as a whole. I will distinguish the other differences again, you know. I'm holding my pancakes, I'm holding my hair, I'm combing properly. In the middle and starting. I'm applying my pancakes. A little more after doing this. At the ends of your hair. If you want to make a denser pancake, take it again like this. You can continue the process. As you can see, when we do this part, it will be in the extreme parts. It will have a more natural look. I'm progressing gradually in the opener. Now I have prepared the opener 20 volumes. 60 grams. I prepared it. This is the second opener after it's over in the bowl 20 volumes plus 30 volumes by preparing a little more degrees, so it's me. If you have prepared 60 grams of opener, 30 grams from 30. 20 volumes. I raise 30 volumes in 30 grams. In the next third part, plain 30 grams. Thing 30 volume. Then, you can also raise a little more according to your request. If you progress in such a gradual way, also in the opener. No problem at all. Get plain hair, no problem. Bon appetit. Yes, as you can see in hair size. I packed it, and I'm squeezing it from these edges. We finish our process with foil. Welcome. Let's get it like this. Shooting continues. You can pass. No problem, haha. No problem. Yes, upstairs. We hold our hair from the middle part, and if you use a skewer comb with a cold in this style, more. You make good pancakes. Because it's long and short. Those short hair. It helps us go to the bottom of the hair very easily. As you can see, we made our pancakes very well. If you want some more tips here, first in the middle, then a little more from the front. We make a denser pancake. As you can see, in the uncoiler sliding process. Close to the bottom of the pancake. If you drive, there is no trace of the stone. And we can get a better result. While driving the opener. Your hair. To go to the back. With vertical corner blows. I should have fed the hair well. With a straight brush stroke again after doing it. You can continue. I close and thanks forward. Now while packing again, just starting from the end of the hair. In the same way here. If you make it narrow this time and hair does not open comfortably and you will have problems in the opening process. Yes, the bottom part is right. After doing it now, again. This time we come to the middle again. Thanks forward. Here we get a straight distinction. Our second distinction here. How will it be again? There will be one distinction, according to the thickness of the hair here. And you can change yourself according to the intensity. I'm a little more. E for making a slight moderate scream. I get two pieces like this. How do I do it here? It's a row. I will pack straight. Second place. By creating such distinctions, I will get a more natural image. Here again, the same way I'm holding it right in the middle. I'm applying a crepe process to the bottom. As you can see, we applied our pancakes. Stuck at the bottom. I'm bringing it to the bottom of the nape again. After that, I keep drinking your water. That's it. First, I feed the opener to the hair with a straight brush stroke. Then to the back. With a vertical brush stroke to pass. Like this and my hair is creeping by bringing some like this. Making it a more natural transition. After that, to bring the bottom of the hair to the back well. With the toothbrush. We do it up to the end of the hair of the brush stroke. What's up? What's up? Save money. This year. With. God bless you. When you think you're eating well, you can pack. Here you need to feed the hair opener well to the hair. Because if you don't eat it properly, it's in the back. Let me show you. It literally needs to be fed. When you come and open your top surface wire drive, the back is so black. Front side opens, back side does not open. This time it will be a wavy wave operation. That's why you need to feed the opener to the hair well. Same way here. I'll move forward as I showed. Single package separation, horizontal separation. I create by making a distinction in the second. I'm going to go step by step like this. After that, we will wait for it to open and our process will continue. So that's our video for now. See you soon. Bro, get up, get up. So get up, boy. Get up. Get up. I do everything today. We have to brawl stars, what? Very bad.